All right, guys, another live stream today. In today's live stream, we'll do a market update. We'll go over the stock market. We'll go over the crypto market. I'm not going to go over the real estate market. I'm not too well versed in the real estate market, but all I would be able to talk about is, what I'm seeing on a website like CeeLo, or if prices are going up, or maybe give my experience, but maybe that'll be like some other update. But yeah, today's just going to be the stock market, crypto market, and then we'll talk about financial goals and how that's coming along. Maybe not mine. Maybe just go over a high level what you need to be doing to make sure you complete those goals by the end of the year. But yeah, let's go over those updates. All right, so we'll start first with the stock market. And for the information, I'm getting this from Yahoo Finance. So let's go over the major indexes. So the S&P 500 is up 0.76% for the day, and it's sitting at 4,927. The Dow Jones is up 0.59%, and it's sitting at $38,333. The Nasdaq is up 1.12% or 1.12% for the day, sitting at $15,628. The Russell 2000 is sitting at $2,011.42 and up 1.67% for the day. Crude oil is down 1.31%, and then it's sitting at $76.99 per barrel. And gold is sitting at $2,030.40, and it's up 0.65%. So it looks like the stock market overall is up for the day. So it's pretty good. And the reason being, in my opinion, is because they're going to be lowering rates here soon. And I have an article up talking about how the Fed is going to meet in the on the 31st, so coming up soon at the end of the month. So it says some key takeaways. It says the Federal Open Market Committee kept rates steady during its last meeting in December 2024. I think they messed up there. Their December 2024 is, I think they meant to say 2023. So Yahoo, whoever wrote this messed up. It said during its last meeting in December 2023, and signaled several rate cuts throughout 2024. Okay, so basically they had their last meeting in December 2023, right? And they're saying that for 2024 they're going to be cutting rates. So it says on the eve of, let's skip down. It says markets still see rates unchanged in January and predict a 48% probability of a rate cut at the next meeting in March. Okay, so they think that rates are going to stay the same in this upcoming meeting. They're not going to change anything to the rates. And they said there's a 48% possibility that they're going to be cutting rates in March. So, okay. Right, and this seems in line with what they said last year. So, yeah, once rates start coming down, you're going to see prices of stocks go up. The crypto market's going to go up. And if they cut rates in March, I mean, it's going to go hand in hand with the Bitcoin halving. So it's going to be a real good bull market. So make sure, if you're invested, make sure if there's any dips in between, maybe you add onto your position. Maybe, you're just watching out for certain price targets so that way you can either exit your position or whatever plan you have. Just make sure you have a plan. Okay, so it says interest rates remain unchanged at 5.25% to 5.50%. The quarterly release summary of economic projections backed the December decision, according to the published data from 2024. Again, I think whoever wrote this is talking about 2023 because December 2024 is not there yet, so it's messing me up. So according to the published data, GDP will move from 1.5% to 1.4%. Okay, so yeah, I think once they start doing the rate cuts, we might be sitting. They might do a whole point. If they do a whole point, I mean, that's going to be real bullish for the market. Interest rates will go down from 5.25% to around 4.25%. And then, depending on if they do other cuts during the year, we might end up at like 2.25 or 3.25 by the end of 2024. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the stock market. Let's head over to the crypto market. Let's go over to coin market cap. All right. Bitcoin is sitting at 43,199 and it's up for the day 3.27%. And I'm just going to go over a few of the big ones. Ethereum is sitting at $2,310 and it's up 2.2% for the day. And let's see, another notable one is Solana. Solana's up it's up 6.47% for the day, sitting at 101. So yeah, the crypto market is looking like it's picking up, specifically the altcoins. Now I think in the next week, if you look at the historical chart for Ethereum, typically like in like end of January, beginning of February, we have like a little pump. So it might be that an alt season is coming soon. So yeah, it should be a good time in the next couple weeks. I think we're going to see some prices explode, especially for some altcoins, the ones that are in demand, the ones that actually have utility. People, institutions invested in some of these big altcoins in the top 100 in coin market cap. I think you're going to see some of these shoot up in the next couple weeks, or maybe month or so. So yeah, it's an interesting time, especially like I said, the fact that we just had the BTC ETF approved. That's bullish. So we're gonna have money coming into the crypto space because of that. And then you're going to have the interest rates coming down on top of the halvening. And then also one thing to remember too, if you're not, I would recommend everybody get familiar with reading charts, like basic level, like support and resistance. So when you look at a chart, you can see, okay, a year ago it had this much resistance. So if it breaks through that type of resistance in the following year, it's going to have a big spike. So I would recommend for people that are not familiar with reading stock charts, and it's kind of the same thing, just like like a paper asset chart. Obviously, they'll move different for different assets. Like crypto will obviously be a lot more volatile than the stock market because the market caps for those assets are smaller than stock markets, like stocks that are in the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, companies that are already established. Tesla moves a lot too, but that's because it's still, I'm not going to say fairly new, but it's still a growing company. It's tech, so it's high growth company. So stocks like that will have good movement, but for the most part, you're not going to see, it's going to be more volatile for the crypto market since it's a new asset class. All right, let me see. Anything else with the crypto market? I think Ethereum just did its Denkun update, but I know some things went wrong on testnet. So, but that's the whole point of testnet. So for those of you who don't know, testnet is a stage in which the project goes through before it goes to mainnet, it goes live to the public. So I think they had some problems with that, but they're working on fixing that. So that will probably go on to mainnet too in the next month or so. And once that does, again, it's another positive catalyst. Like you're going to see a lot of positive catalysts it's going to set this bull market up to go very far, in my opinion, if you're in the right place. All right. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is 5 best upcoming IPOs to watch in 2024. So I found this before I got on the live. I was like, oh, this would probably be cool to share. So I think it's important to keep up with new IPOs. There are really good companies that are private that are going to go public in the next year or two. That always, actually, every year you always have some 1 or 2 good companies that go public, and they're just companies that you can put in your portfolio, or think about putting on your list, your watch list, so you could say, okay, this company just went public. This is something that I may want to invest in the future, right? So it's just something to keep on the list. All right, so the first one is Skims, and they gave a little detail on the company, and I've heard of this before. So Skims is founded by Kim Kardashian in 2019. This company has actually done really well. I've heard I think it's made her a billionaire, right? I'm pretty sure this is the company that has made her a billionaire. I was reading it in some article. It might have been Forbes. All right, so it says an innovative fashion brand that has quickly gained a reputation for its inclusive and body positive approach to shapewear, loungewear, and intimates. The company's philosophy centers in providing comfortable, flattering solutions for all body types, emphasizing various sizes and shades to cater to various customers. So it looks like this company, from the looks of it, it's in competition with Lululemon. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Lululemon, but it's kind of similar to that. I wonder how she prices it. Is it more affordable than Lululemon? Because Lululemon, it's pretty expensive. I think it's, you're not getting it on sale, you're probably paying like $80 for a pair of spandex pants, right? So yeah, that's interesting. But I think this is the company that has made her a billionaire. So, and it says the estimated IPO valuation is $4 billion. So, and she owns 35% of the company. So if it goes public, she's probably picking up a cool $1 billion, or maybe a little bit less than that after taxes and all that stuff. But yeah, it's just going to add to her net worth, right? So yeah. That's number 1, the first IPO. Plaid. Now it's spelled P-A-I-D, but I think it's pronounced Plaid. Now Plaid, and I think most of you are familiar with this if you've connected your bank account to any like your bank account connects to, I'm trying to think, like maybe if you're trying to pay your bills for something, you connect your bank account, and Plaid just makes it a smoother process. So Plaid is a technology company that operates in the fintech sector, providing crucial infrastructure that connects various financial applications with users' bank accounts. Founded in 2013, so they've been out for a while and they haven't gone public. Plaid has quickly become a key player in the financial technology landscape. Its platform enables seamless and secure data sharing between financial institutions. Now, I think it is smooth. I've used it before to connect my bank to my apartment bill paying the website for my apartment, so I could pay my rent. It is a smooth process, but I wonder if it's the technology behind it that makes it so valuable. And we'll see, because the valuation for the IPO is $14 billion. So it's valued at a lot of money. So I'm not sure if it's the software that the coders, the developers behind it that makes it so special. But I mean, it just connects your bank to whatever website you're trying to use to pay your bills or pay your rent or whatever the case may be. But yeah, that'll be interesting to see. But I definitely use that company, their services. All right, Discord. I use Discord a lot too. Discord is a real good social platform. Basically, if you want to, I use it a lot for crypto projects. If you want to see what a crypto project is up to, the best place to go, in my opinion, is the Discord channel. Obviously, they'll put stuff on Twitter, they'll put stuff on their YouTube page, but Discord is a real good place to, get information on the crypto project, making sure that the project is moving forward, and you're not just investing in a meme coin that's, it may go up because of the hype, but it's not going up because it's a good project. So Discord, I think it's almost like another, I would say it's like the Instagram of the communications type platform, I would say. It's really good. All right, so it was established in 2015. Discord is a versatile digital communication platform, renowned for its text, voice, video, that chat capabilities. Initially popular among gamers, its users. Yeah, I heard it was like popular for the gaming community first, but it's definitely expanded out. Its user-friendly design and robust features have since attracted a wide array of outline communities. The platform allows users to create and join servers with topic-specific channels. Yeah, that's the special thing that it does. Creates a specific server to talk about specific things, and it just creates a community of people that are interested in that topic. I think it's a real good concept. So they're valued at 15 billion. So that in my opinion, that's going to be that's probably going to be a good stock to invest in, for me at least. I could see the value because I use it. All right, so what's next? Discord, 15 billion. Chime, I never heard of Chime. Chime is a financial technology company that offers banking services through a mobile-first platform. Founded in 2013 and headquartered in San Francisco, Chime aims to simplify banking for its users, offering no-fee checking and savings account, automated savings features, and early direct deposit. Chime's approach to banking is centered around user convenience and accessibility. It provides a digital banking experience with no monthly fees, minimum balance. So it says, like, it's saying a lot, no fees and this. So I wonder if that's the case. I wonder how they make money if they keep saying no fees. They have to be making some money somewhere, so they have to be charging somewhere. So, I'm not too sold on that, just because, they got to make their money from somewhere. So they're saying a lot of free, but, they got to make money somehow. All right, so it says another key feature of Chime is its Visa debit card, which users can use without incurring typical bank fees. Chimes also offers a network of free ATMs. So, like I said, everything is free. So, I don't know. I have to look that one up. Fintech, user-friendly. Okay. So, that one's valued at 25 billion. This is actually the most valued company on the list. So, definitely got to check that out. All right, and the last one on the list is Turo. Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing platform that offers an alternative to traditional car rental services. Founded in 2009 and based in San Francisco, Turo allows private car owners to rent their vehicle. I've heard of this one. I've heard of this one. This is basically, like I said, there's a service that allows people to rent their car out to other people. So, yeah, Turo allows private car owners to rent their vehicles via an online mobile interface. This model allows car owners to earn extra income and offers renters a wider range of vehicle options. I mean, I could see how it works, I guess, but I mean, you do have the rental space. Maybe this process is a little bit easier. You don't have to go through a lot of things. And again, it offers more options to people, because I know when you go to the rental places, Enterprise, Hertz, sometimes they don't have cars available. So maybe there's a demand for people to rent people's personal vehicles. I'm not sure. I definitely wouldn't let somebody rent my vehicle out. So yeah, but that's interesting. And this is gonna IPO. Valuation is $3 billion. All right. 3 billion. So yeah, those are the top 5 IPOs that are going to be coming out in 2024. So look out for those. I heard Circle too. Circle is like the creator of the USD. It's like the stable coin the for American dollars. So yeah, I heard that one's going public too, but I'm not sure. It wasn't on the list. But yeah, so 2024 financial goals. So we're coming up on the end of January. So 1 month has already gone by, 2024. So make sure if you are not close to, are not moving in a good speed to get your goals finished, make sure you are on top of that. Make sure that you're using it each month productively, that you're, getting stuff done. I know some people that are just not doing anything, and they're just wasting time. So, yeah, 1 month, it's gone by quick. January has gone by quick, and I'm pretty sure February will go by quicker. It's only 28 days in February. So, yeah. So make sure you're writing things down. That's important. Write things down. Make sure I have, like I said, the whiteboard I use to write stuff down, and make sure when you're crossing stuff off when you get stuff done. So that way you can just keep track of what you need to get done. That way at the end of the year, you're not saying, okay, I had these goals, didn't get anything done. You can keep track through the whole process and make sure things are getting done, right? But ultimately, it's up to you, and if you wanna get things done. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share today. I wanted to go over the markets. Just say that January went by pretty quickly, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. And thank you. This should be recorded, so you guys can go check this out later. Take care.